Hey, this is Rob from Top Affiliate Marketing Program. Today I wanted to talk about healthy vegan affiliate programs. And I've got three programs that are really awesome. Um, but the first thing that I want you to be aware of when promoting any affiliate products is the duration of the cookies, specifically what the affiliate program offers, affiliate marketing tools that are provided, most importantly, commission rates, the application process, and of course the payment terms. With vegans, you're generally eating vegetables, whole grains, seeds, fruits, nuts, vegetables, legumes. Um, so there's almost anything in that area that you can promote um, as an affiliate in this niche. Um, so the first one of the three programs I want to talk about is Not Pot. And everyone thinks, okay, pot, I'm going to get high. And that's why they call it Not Pot, because it's basically just CBD gummies that are healthy for you. You're not going to get high from them. They come in 5 different flavors: watermelon, pineapple, green apple, blue raspberry, and elderberry. So the vegan CBD gummies are completely vegan. They're drug free, so there's no high. They're tested in the lab, nothing artificial, made in the USA, 300 milligram strength. They're good for anxiety and insomnia a lot. The pure ingredients of, the hemp extract and strawberries and apple pectin, and the remainder of their ingredients are on the labels. Um, they're basically on the hemp. Their hemp is at the USA farms in Oregon and Colorado. Now you don't have to worry if they how potent they are, because 10 milligrams is nothing to be concerned about. Um, so you can be chilled and not have to worry. Commission rate on NotPod is very good at 10%. That's pretty good. Anything over 5 to 7% is good. The payment terms: auto deposit and check, which is pretty standard. And the cookie duration is standard. 30 days is standard. So that means if anybody goes to your article on your website and they don't purchase CBD oil, I'm sorry, CBD gummies, anytime within 30 days they come back and purchase, you get credit for it. Now, this is affiliated with ShareASale affiliate program. So you join there. You set up your account and your network. It's not much to do. Enter your personal website information, as well as how you're going to promote their product and the platform used in general marketing plan. That's where you're going to want to have to build your website first, which I will discuss later. And you will be provided with keywords to help, and text links, and some banners. And then you can click to join here. The next one is Vegging Out. Excellent, excellent food. Very healthy. Based in the Los Angeles area. It's vegan foods. Um, they do ship nationwide, and it's a food delivery service that is something where it's not only healthy for you with no MSG, and it has the freshest ingredients that are organic. Now the sales vary from $99 to $619, and you join Vegging Out, you're provided with several materials for marketing and a reporting tool which keeps track of your sales and commissions. What I like about it is if people like this product, these foods, it's residual income. People are going to come back and they're going to buy more. Now the commission rate is pretty high, 15 to 20%. That's the good news. and they pay auto deposit and check. The bad news is the cookie duration is about half of what the normal is. Normally it's 30 days. So if people don't buy, but they come back within 15 days, you'll still get credit. And they also have a $25 client referral program. The application again is through ShareASale. You set everything up, and you want to have your website. The more content on your website, the better. Better chances of being accepted and not turned down. And of course, the more traffic you get, the more people you're going to have in front of your article to promote this product. Again, they provide keywords, banners, and text links, and then you could click to join that program. The last one is Mosaic Foods, another one with well-balanced diets, and they're based on the plant kingdom. You get to choose your meals, pick your plan, you get your delivery, and you eat and enjoy. So there's not really that much to it. It's a subscription company that delivers the food to you, and they're mostly plant-based, and you just heat them up. And they're based on vegetables made farm fresh in upstate New York, which isn't too far from where I grew up. And they have excellent chefs who chop, peel, and dice the ingredients by hand. And then they proceed to season, roast, and saute them. So you get a premier product. Not only tastes great, satisfies you, and it's loaded with vegetables. So it's healthy. That's very important. So everything is shipped frozen, and that's to ensure the freshness and keep the nutrients in the meals. No preservatives or artificial ingredients. And these are the two gentlemen who started the company, and you can read their little story here. The average commission rate is $20. Pretty good. Pay terms are auto deposit checks, same. Cookie duration in this particular product is 30 days. That's standard. And again, the application required is just what I spoke about before. And this banner links, text links, keywords, they're all basically the same. Some will give you more, some give you a little less. But you're going to base it on your own website anyway. And you'll get the hang of that once you start building your website. You can click here to join Mosaic Foods program. This is just briefly to show you how you can find other affiliate programs. If you were just looking for healthy foods, you would type in Google healthy foods plus affiliate programs, and these come up. These are just a few. There's many, many, many more here. And that's how you would find out. If you want to dig down a little deeper into vegan foods plus affiliate programs, and then you'll find the vegan programs. And that's it. You want to look for a decent commission, and sometimes providing testimonials is very good, and you don't want to promote any product that's inferior, because that is just not a good start. And that's it. So you could click here for your opportunity, but if you click to the bottom of the video to subscribe to my channel, and then you can click to the link to learn here how to build a website and be on the way to success in affiliate marketing. So thank you for watching my video, and good luck and have a great day. Thank you.